In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom app. We'll walk through the process clearly and simply so you can get Zoom onto your Windows 11 PC using the Microsoft Store. This method is safe, straightforward, and ensures you're getting the official desktop app. Start by opening the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. The store is included with Windows and is the trusted place to download apps. You'll typically find it on your taskbar or by opening the Start menu and searching for Microsoft Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the app will need to download files. If the store takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just give it a second. Once the store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the window. Click into it and type Zoom. As you type, you'll likely see suggestions drop down. You can press Enter to view all results. Be sure you're searching for the desktop application, not a browser extension or unrelated tool. Typing the full name helps the store surface the correct listing quickly. From the results, select Zoom Workplace or Zoom. Depending on regional listings and updates, the app may appear as Zoom Workplace, which is the official Zoom desktop client's current name, or simply Zoom. The listing should show the familiar Zoom icon and appear in the Apps category. Choosing this ensures you're getting the right program for video meetings, webinars, and chat. If you see multiple entries, pick the one that's clearly identified as the main Zoom app rather than add-ons. On the Apps page, click the Install or Get button. The exact wording can vary, but both mean the same thing. The store will download and install the app for you. You might briefly see a sign-in prompt for your Microsoft account. That can happen depending on your store settings. After you confirm, watch for the download progress indicator. The store handles everything in the background, and you won't usually need administrator permissions. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open, which indicates the app is ready to use. You can also find it later in your Start menu. That's it. By using the Microsoft Store, you're installing the official Zoom application with automatic updates handled for you, which helps keep your app secure and up to date. If you ever return to the Apps page and see an Update button instead of Install, that simply means a newer version is available through the store.